Contacting your poll respondents and expressing your gratitude for participating in your polls is a great way to connect with them and create stronger relationships. Here is the result email you can get after poll submission. To send email to users after the poll submission, we need to go to the Email tab and tick the Send Email to User option. As you can see, there are two ways to send emails to users. The first one is custom and the second one is SendGrid. With a custom message, you can write your own text and add images. As you can see, I have already added them. And with the SendGrid option, you can choose your own template from the selection and it will be sent to the users after the poll submission. We choose the custom option and here we have configured the message option. I have added a text and an image. If you want to send emails to users after the poll submission, you need to enable the information form option and collect data of your users. For that, you need to go to the User Data tab and tick the information form option. Here you will see available fields and active fields. We need to drag the necessary fields from the available fields and drop them into the active fields like this. Then save the changes. You can also write an information form title which will be displayed at the top of the form fields. Or you can choose the labels of form fields to be shown instead of writing a custom message by enabling the Display Form Fields with Labels option. That's all. Together we learned how to send email to users after the poll submission.